Hey, I'm Justin, founder of ePlay Studios. Who am I? Well, I've personally amassed over 2 million downloads and generated over $1 million in profit with my games. And trust me, the way here was paved with many face plants, so I completely understand the struggles you may be dealing with. Today, I'm sharing the 20 most important game dev tips I desperately wish someone would have shared with me when I first started. Let's dive in. Tip number 1, finish what you start. Starting games is easy. Finishing them feels like beating the final boss on hardcore mode. Trust me, 10 half-finished games won't help your career. Set clear goals, commit, and finish. Tip number 2, don't chase trends blindly. Trends can change faster than my motivation levels. Focus on projects you're passionate about and you'll survive market shifts better. Tip number 3, keep your scope small. Seriously, dream big, but start small. Trying to build a massive game solo is like trying to eat an elephant whole. Start with bite-sized projects and scale up. Tip number 4, monetization isn't evil, usually. Making money doesn't make you a villain. Learn to integrate monetization naturally, enhancing rather than disrupting the player experience. Tip number 5, community building is a game dev cheat code. Engage with the audience from day one. Launching a game without a community is like shouting into an empty cave, only echoes of disappointment. By the way, if you like money but you dislike unnecessary pain, grab my free ebook 6-Figure Game Blueprint. It's the game dev Bible without the boring stuff, link in the description. So this brings us on to tip number 6, which is marketing is as important as development. Marketing is painful but necessary. A great game without marketing is essentially invisible. Learn basic promotion and avoid launching into obscurity. Tip number 7, playtesting. The brutal truth generator. Feedback hurts, but ignorance is worse. Playtest early, embrace criticism, and thank your testers, even if their honesty stings. Tip number 8, know your tools, but don't marry them. Unity, Unreal, Godot, they all crash pretty much equally. Choose wisely, but stay flexible and always open to better options. Tip number 9, burnout is real, and it sucks. Burnout isn't heroic. It's harmful. Balance your work with rest, hobbies, and social life to keep the creative juices flowing. Tip number 10, enjoy the journey. Game dev is tough, but rewarding. Appreciate every part of the process, especially the struggles, as they fuel growth. Tip number 11, and this is a very important one, don't quit your day job yet. Bills don't care about your dreams. Secure consistent income from your game before ditching your steady paycheck. Tip number 12, network, even if you're introverted. Connections lead to opportunities. So step outside your comfort zone occasionally and build meaningful relationships in the industry. Tip number 13, embrace imperfection. Perfectionism kills progress. Launch imperfect games, gather feedback, and iterate quickly. Done beats perfect. Tip number 14, set deadlines, even if they hurt. Deadlines push progress. They're uncomfortable but essential. Without deadlines, projects linger forever. Tip number 15, celebrate small wins. Every achievement counts. Celebrating small milestones boosts motivation and makes the journey enjoyable. Now for tip number 16, learn basic business skills. Remember, you're not just a game dev, you're also a business owner. Learn budgeting, contracts, and basic financial management. Your future self will thank you. Tip number 17, document your progress. Track your growth. Documenting your growth creates accountability, inspires others, and makes incredible marketing material. Another very important one, tip number 18, seek mentorship and advice. You don't know everything, and that's okay, so seek mentorship from experienced devs. It shortcuts your learning curve dramatically. Tip number 19, stay consistent, not perfect. Consistency beats occasional brilliance. Show up regularly, make steady progress, and you'll outperform the sporadic genius. The last and final tip number 20, accept failures as lessons. Remember, failure isn't fatal, it's educational. Learn from your mistakes, adapt quickly, and become resilient. There you have it, 20 tips I wish someone would have shared with me earlier. If you enjoyed that video, smash the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to grab my free ebook 6-Figure Game Blueprint in the description below. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe and peace out.